everybody, welcome to Rider One Up. For those of you that are new to the channel, I'm your rider, Mike. And today we continue the quest to mountain bike America by riding at 3 trail systems in each state. I'm at Tannery Knobs, located in Johnson City, Tennessee. I heard good things about what SORBA Tri-Cities and the staff of Johnson City have done here, so I had to stop on my way to South Carolina to try it out. After a long drive, I'm super excited to try out what looks like an amazing pump track and about 5 flow trails. Let's give the pump track a spin. I was out here a few minutes ago on my jump bike, much faster than riding a trail bike. All right, that was a good warm-up. A little bit of rock work. Little jump there. Ooh, pace that one. Yeah. Ooh. All right. Yeah. Let's see if we can make that. Yeah, nice. Good thing I warmed up on the pump track. See it right up there. There we go. Yep. Yeah. Woo. Can definitely tell this is the spring training ride. Oh. All right, lost some nice vertical here. Came in right over there on the interstate at 26. It's always nice. Oh, here we go. And you can see your spot right off the interstate. Oh, losing some steam here. Let's get back on it. There we go. So actually I tried to get here 2 years ago, almost 2 years to the week. But at the time, this place is still just under construction and wasn't open yet, so we had to bypass it. So, thought this would be a good place to stop overnight after a long drive before making the last push into South Carolina tomorrow morning. Washed out right there. All right. All right. Almost there. Another switchback or two. All right, this run, it looks like we're gonna do the Green Breakfast Club to bust a left on Baby Flow, then a right on Chairlift, or come back. It's down in Tennessee 2 years ago, almost to the day, and there, got 3 rides in, and didn't make this one. And that was before I was making videos of the rides. So that actually taught me a lesson. That was about 10, no, I was in the beginning, 5 states in, and I'd have to do a redo on the older states that I didn't capture, and had different criteria back then too. Yeah. Woo. It's always fun taking flow trails blind. Never know what you're getting into. All right, let's get on with it. So, I think I missed my cutoff. Well, unless it's up here. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna have to do this one again. Not ready for a few of these. All right, let's call that a learning ride. I was just talking to a couple of guys at the trailhead here, and they confirmed what I thought. Great place for e-bikes. They were both riding one, cruising up these switchbacks. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh. What's the way down? way down seems to be like this. I have to take another run at this one too. Oh. Where's the line? Took the cheater line. All right. What do we got here? All right, wasn't ready for all that. As I said before, you can definitely tell it's spring training. This is my first mountain bike ride in quite a few months. So, if you're wondering why I'm skipping some things, that's my excuse. Back into the chunk. Flow of the chunk. Where are we going? Here we go. Make it back to the back trailhead. Hit the jumps again. All right, here we go again. Let's see if we can get a little better on this one. Yep. All right, another 3-pack. Much better. Whoa. Wow, what a great place. I wish this was located near where I live. I had some fun with the pump and flow here. Unfortunately, I'm running out of daylight, so I can't go back and repeat the Black Diamond trails a second time. I'm sure I'll be here again, so I'll get some redemption on those next time. If you enjoyed watching me take on Tannery Knobs, be sure to support Rider 1UP by subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next trail adventure. Let's try and make it. Oh, off the line, off the line. Oh. Completely off the line. All right, let's take it for a spin. Oh.